How to use AI for data cleaning in Excel. Follow these instructions. Open Excel and convert your raw dataset into a table by pressing Ctrl+T to help AI tools identify headers and data types. Click Analyze Data on the Home tab to launch Excel's AI and let it scan for patterns, insights, and cleaning suggestions. Go to the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates, or ask AI to find and highlight duplicate rows in your dataset quickly. Use AI's query box to type prompts like, find missing values in column B, or fix inconsistent date formats. Open Power Query and click Transform Data to get AI-powered suggestions for formatting, cleaning, and reshaping data. If Excel Copilot is available, prompt it with tasks like capitalize column A or standardize phone number format. Review AI's recommended changes, then click Close and Load to apply all fixes and load the clean data back into Excel. Thanks for watching.